Greetings everybody, Ken here, and today we're going to be talking about the best air fryers, because one of the most popular things in all of cookingdom right now is air fryers. Make french fries and all sorts of other things that get them crispy without having to use a lot of oil. So today I'll be looking at the top air fryers, break them down by their features and benefits so you can get a better idea of which one of these might be a good choice for you based upon your particular situation. And as always, I'll include links to each of these down below so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any of these that you might be interested in. Also, if there are any coupon codes, discounts, special deals, or anything like that on any of these, I'll include that in the description as well. So an air fryer, what it does is it literally fries with air, and it allows you to enjoy the taste of some more decadent foods without all the guilt. So we tested a whole bunch of air fryers, and our top pick for the best air fryer was the Philips HD 964196 Avance Digital Turbostar Air Fryer. And this Philips air fryer took the top spot because it's got an easy to use interface, its ability to cook consistently good foods evenly, and it boasts a almost 2-pound and just under 3-quart capacity, and it features a selection of 5 presets suitable for cooking most popular dishes you can think of. There's even a keep warm function in case you can't get to your food right away, because if you've ever used an air fryer before, 1 minute can be the difference between golden brown and extra crispy. The air fryer easily cooked up about 4 servings at a time, making it ideal for family use, and it doesn't take up a lot of space in your kitchen, so leaving it on the countertop is definitely something you can do with this one, especially if you're going to be using it often. There's no preheating required with it, and there's a free app that it comes with 200 recipes, and if you don't want to use the app, it comes with a recipe book too. So if you're looking for the best air fryer out there, our top pick was the Philips HD 9641/96 Advanced Digital Turbostar Air Fryer, and it could make a really nice addition to your kitchen. Another top pick was the T-fal FC700-251 Multi-Actifry Fryer, and this T-fal unit has a 2.2-pound capacity. It comes complete with a rotating paddle, which removes the need to have to stop your cooking halfway through in order to shake or flip the food, as with some air fryers you will need to do that and shake things around so you get even crispiness. The ceramic coated non-stick pan is removable for convenient cleanup when you're finished cooking, and the secure locking lid helps eliminate splatter. It also has a really large viewing window that allows you to kind of look in and keep track of the progress without having to remove the tray to see what it is, and since you don't have to remove it to move it around, it's even more of a reason to look into it. It has an integrated filter for odorless cooking, a stay cool exterior for added safety, so while it's on you don't touch it. If you got kids, they won't burn themselves, and it comes with a color recipe book included. So you're looking for another top pick for an air fryer, the T-fal FC700-251 Multi-Actifry Fryer could be a really nice choice for you. The best budget pick that we came across was the GoWISE USA 1700 watt 5.8 quarts Air Fryer XL. And this is an excellent choice for people looking for an air fryer that isn't going to be hard on the wallet. It boasts a large 5.8 quart basket that makes it suitable for use by families. It features a non-stick coated interior, comes complete with 8 cooking presets, including options for fries, pork, chicken, cake, pizza. Yes, you heard me, cake. The cool touch handle and button guard help to prevent accidental detachment burns, which I have had on other units a couple of times. It's not fun, and I don't recommend it. It's versatile, cooks foods all the way from sweet to savory, and the non-stick service made it really easy to clean up. Some of the presets had a little bit of a learning curve, but all in all, if you just want to set it and forget it, this is one that really allows you to do that. It also has a built-in alarm that lets you know when it's time to shake the food too, and it comes in a variety of colors. So if you're looking for the best budget air fryer that we came across, the GoWISE USA 1700 watt 5.8 quarts Air Fryer XL might be a good choice for you. The best small air fryer that we came across was the COSORI air fryer, and this is an excellent choice for people whose kitchens might be a little tight on space, but you still want to enjoy the taste and convenience of what an air fryer can do for you. It has a 3.7 quart capacity, comes complete with an ergonomic angle display to provide better viewing so you don't need to bend over it to make adjustments. It boasts a square basket that provides more cooking space, and the parts are dishwasher safe for convenient cleanup at the end of the meal so you don't have to worry about making a mess and then cleaning up afterwards. It's got 11 presets for foods such as steak, poultry, frozen foods, french fries, among other things, probably a cake setting too, I believe. We found that it cooked food quickly, was easy to clean, and we liked a lot of the program options, and the safety button on the basket to prevent accidental detachment was really cool too. They boast using 85% less fat than traditional deep frying methods, which is a little bit better than a lot of other ones, and they include a 2-year warranty. So if you're looking for the best small air fryer out there, the COSORI air fryer is likely going to be a good choice for you. The best large air fryer that we came across was the OMORC Air Fryer XL, and the OMORC is a great choice for people who are looking to feed a family or a crowd. It offers a 6-quart cooking capacity. It uses one knob and touch control to find just the right cooking temperature for a variety of foods. The fry basket and pot feature a not stick coating that makes cleanup a breeze. They're dishwasher safe too for added convenience, so no worries about making messes there. The temperature control ranges from 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the machine can be set for up to 60 minutes. I know 400 degrees doesn't sound like a lot, but in a compact space like that, 400 degrees really is more like 5 or 550. It was easy to use, it was very versatile. It does take up a lot of counter space, but it does do a lot if you're feeding a crowd. And the fact that you don't have to preheat the unit, which is really, really nice too, and it accommodates a whole chicken. It also has automatic shutoff protection for added peace of mind. They gave you a nice little recipe booklet in there too to get you started, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. So if you're just looking for the best large air fryer out there, the OMORC Air Fryer XL is likely going to be a good fit for your kitchen repertoire. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please feel free to leave a thumbs up. As you know, I always appreciate it. A good digital pat on the back makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside. And just a reminder, I'll include links to each of these products down below so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any of these that you might be interested in. Also, let me know any comments or questions you have. You know I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Interacting with people who share the same passions as me is super cool. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.